Hey, welcome back in the course. In this video we will straight go to our WordPress dashboard and create a new post, and the article that I have inside the Word file, I will just copy this and paste into that new post. So we will optimize this article and will publish. So in this video we will work in a real environment in WordPress. Control A to select, I just pressed Control A to select this all and Control C to copy. I will go to this WordPress dashboard, my website. I'll just create a new post, click new post, and here you can see in the WordPress text editor, the post editor, this place is for entering your title, and this is for the content, and you can also find the categories over here, the tags, etc, and things like that. And the bottom of the page you can see the setting for all in one SEO pack. So this is the SEO title, the place for SEO title, which you can enter here, in the description for SEO, for search engines over here. So it must not be above than 160 characters, and this must not be about 60 characters, but we will keep this one to under 50 characters and this to under 140 characters. That's it. But I have copied that text from the Word file. I will just post it here. I have pasted it here, and now you can see the same text that we had in Word format is here. Now basically this is the title, how to create a login system. So I will just Control X to cut it from here and put in the title. Okay, little bit I will make the setting, for example just justify, using justify where the paragraphs, if the paragraphs are justified, they look better in the browser. So how to create a login system in PHP and MySQLi. That's it. Basically the main keyword is login system in PHP. This is the main thing, or login script in PHP. This is the main thing, and we need to actually keep them one after another. The main words, login, system, and then PHP. So this is the main line inside this title. This doesn't matter how to create or MySQLi or whatsoever. If someone writes how to, so this article will come, and if someone only writes login system in PHP, so this will also come. So we are mainly targeting the login system in PHP keyword, which we already searched in Google Planner tool, and also we know that what to do with this keyword basically. So the first important thing is the title of the post that I did in front of you. So you should also keep your keyword in a single place, words one after another. You cannot say something like different words. So this is called keyword proximity. Keyword proximity, the placement of the keyword. Now let's come to this place, permalink. This is the permalink, the unique permalink for this specific article. So this is my website address, http://www.onlinetutoring.com, and after that I can edit it here, and I will of course edit it because I need to give it a professional and SEO optimized link, which is a permanent link. You cannot change this link anytime. You cannot change. If you change this, then there will be a broken link with the older link. So you should carefully add a permalink over here because this is permanent. You can, however, you can change this title anytime. So I will just simply write something because I have targeted login system in PHP. The system word I have targeted there, but I can actually use similar words which may be the replacement of this word. I can use those kind of words inside here in the permalink as well as in the description, which is bottom here. We will come to that as well here. So as I was telling you while searching for keywords in Keyword Planner tool, I was telling you something about using all the words combinedly in this one post. So we can actually target, or through we can target two birds with one single stone. So that is the formula here. We use system above, and we will use something like script over here in the permalink. Login dash script in PHP. This is a very simple permalink. If we go to Google login system in PHP, if we write that, you can observe, after the URL of the website, if the website URL is short, then it's okay, there will be 5 words. For example, create secure login script in PHP. These 5 words are coming in the Google result. So therefore Google can target this, because when the words are hidden, so Google cannot reach those words and cannot show it here or cannot consider for ranking. So therefore you actually need to be very careful in this case, because if your website URL is a little bit longer, something like mine, because mine is online tutoring, 2 words, but actually it is longer a little bit. So you can keep your permalink, there's extra words maximally to 4 words. You can see over here, create a registration system with PHP. So it is written here, create a user registration system. There are 4 words only, create user registration in system. And you can observe this one as well, but the website title is very small, so therefore here 6 or 7 words are coming, but maximum is 5. Do not go from above 5 words. So I will just add one more word, create login script in PHP, and we'll click OK. So that is done. I mean, the permalink is also done. Now 2 things are done. In the title we targeted system, and in the permalink we targeted script. So Google will consider both of them. So if someone search scripts, this will come, and if someone search for login system, they will also come. Now come to the article. This is the first paragraph. So you must actually add 100 words or 120 words paragraph, the first paragraph especially, and you should once or twice or thrice repeat the keywords, something like I have login, users to login, register and login system in PHP. Here you can see, so I have actually repeated them here. You don't need to actually make them bold or make them italic or things like that, because that is an old technique and old tradition. This is just to show you, I therefore bolded it, but you don't need to do that. Google will automatically pick up the keywords from the first paragraph. So if Google found the keyword in the title or in the permalink or in the description or in the first paragraph, so Google will display that to the user. Now I have a picture as well. You must add a picture to each of your article, which is also optimized. So I will add a picture to this article, because a picture is very necessary and you must add. I suggest you to add a picture, because this is very necessary nowadays, and SEO actually has now much more points than it had in the past. Now people target videos and images to include in articles and to get more exposures from search engines. So I will be teaching you that as well, how to optimize videos, how to optimize images, and how to keep your articles running in search engines. So the image is uploaded. Now I will the title of the image is login system in PHP. You should give the same keyword to the image offline in your computer, the same name. So this is the title. I will just copy that and paste in the ALT text place. The ALT text means alternative text, because Google cannot read this image, so you have to tell about your image in the ALT text field. So I have given the login system as alternative text. So if you add description and caption, that is more better. The image will be more optimized, but this is okay. The title, URL, and the name of the image. I will just click insert. So image has been also inserted to this page. You can see over here, I can just make it bigger or smaller, that's my choice. Now we have checked the keyword density and things like that already. Now we can make this text as H2. H2 means this is a heading which is very important in SEO, because Google considers the H2 also for keywords. Google looks to H2 and H3 tags for keywords, or H1 tags, HTML tags. These are very important in SEO. So the title of this page will have H1 tag, which is more important for search engine crawlers. So they will look at that, at H1 tag. If there is a keyword, so they will pick that, else they will check for H2 tags. So we need to give at least 2 or 3 H2 tags which have the similar, the related keywords. So I have added H2 to this and H2 to this as well. And there is one more. There is one more heading over here, this one, and I will add H3 to this. So HT means adding 3, and that's it. Okay, so 3 headings are there. I had added it already. I had added them already in this post. So the article is now somehow optimized, and we can now come here and can add the SEO details to this plugin that we had installed, all-in-one SEO pack, which is very important for WordPress users. So we'll just write something like here, how to create a login system in PHP and MySQL. Okay, so this actually counts the characters in the in the title field. So it says 45 characters. That's okay. Do not go or 50 characters, because you can see over here this one is the title and Google only reads. I'll just copy this, Control C to copy and paste it here. You can see Google only can show up to 52 characters, not more than that. I copied this one and just pasted there. So this is the maximum limit for Google. If you have words after that, after 50 characters, Google will not be able to show them on this page. And this person has included end. So end is not a good practice. Else of end, add this thing, this sign, which you can add from your keyboard by pressing Shift and 7 number. So instead of end, use this, because end is a longer 3 characters and this is 1 single characters, but Google knows what you are saying. So I have added the same title here, because this title, the post title in the WordPress, this one, is actually to display on the website. The SEO setting is here. This title will be overwritten to above 1 by this plugin and will be shown in Google result, or will be displayed in Google. Now the description part is very important. You need to write a very good and correct description for your post or your article. That is something like you can use these words, but you can also use different words than them, but related to them. You cannot go outside the topic. So within the topic, within the article topic, you have to write a description for this post, something like 100 to 140 characters. So if I write a good, if I understand that a good description for this post will be something like, I will just say a complete guide to build a login form using PHP and MySQL. A step by step examples by codes. A complete guide to build a login or sign in form using PHP and MySQL, step by step examples with source code to download. So this is something you can change it accordingly, I mean a little bit. At this moment I just can think this is good for this post. A complete guide to build a login or sign in form using PHP and MySQL with step-by-step examples and source code to download. So I have included some more keywords over here. Okay, I will. Okay, this is okay. This is system. So I had included the, I mean the script in the here, script in the permalink. That's okay, fine. So I have included some more relevant words. For example, I have written guide, I have written build, because there is create and here is build. If someone I mean search for build a login system, so this article will show up this, I mean from the description. Google will pick up the words from the descriptions. And login, and I also have included sign in form using PHP and MySQL with step-by-step examples and source code to download. And some people also search for source code to download or examples or things like that. So I have included them all. And when I had this article in last lecture, before this lecture, I was telling you that there are some problems. I mean the keyword density was exactly up to 3%. So I removed some login words because that was, I mean they were more and excessive. So therefore I removed some and I added, instead of login I added sign in and words which are related to login form. So that's it. Now we have actually 100% optimized this article, and this is absolutely correct way to optimize your articles. But to look into things I mean that are according to I mean Google criteria and Google's rules and regulations. Now I will select relevant category for this article, something like PHP and MySQL, MySQLi, projects and web development. So this article will go into 4 categories. And I don't recommend to use tags in WordPress because they make complicated links for search engine crawlers to understand. So I don't use tags, and without tags you can actually rank your articles. So that's end over here. But one important thing that I need to tell you is interlinking. So we will just click this publish button, but after understanding about the interlinks, how we can interlink an article to make it more SEO friendly and to let Google know to actually index our article very quickly. That is also magic. I will be telling you in next lecture. Stay tuned.